The sun is going down. It's around about 5:36, between 5:30 and 6. It's greening up a little bit just because it's starting to grow. It's summertime, so this is when it grows the fastest. I just wanted to show you this little bit here. So I reckon there is Bermuda on this already, because this is all Bermuda. Yep. I just finished an ice cream. This is Bermuda. It's just not been taken care of. Bermuda grows along the top of the soil. It just kind of comes up. So it's best kept short, very, very short, like 1 inch, which is great for golf. So I'm kind of happy about that. This, I'm going to wet it because I really don't want this here, but I might as well grow it, let it thrive, and then I can use that to transplant into all the patchy bits. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wet it, and it'll look a lot better tomorrow. I'll keep doing it for the next couple of days, and I'll use it for patchwork. You know, fill in all these big gaps. I've pulled out some rocks over here, so they need filled in as well. Yeah, thought I'd just say that whilst me and the dogs are walking around and just checking out the sunset over the green. It looks pretty nice. Signing off.